Here's how you can train your own GPT-style AI model with no coding. If you have the question that can you create your own GPT-style AI model, the answer is yes, and it is much simpler than you think. In order to do this, we'll need to use an AI website. You can use any sort of websites that can let you create AI characters or AI models. I'm gonna use Kaji Photo. For this, first of all, go onto your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for Kaji Photo. Click on the first link and you'll be directed to the main Kaji Photo website. Here you'll need to click on Chat with AI. Now you'll be directed to the main page where you'll find a lot of different AI characters. You can use these characters, but these are already made and it won't be yours. So in this case, we'll need to create our own AI model. For that, you'll need to click on this messaging option from the top bar and now create a new AI. So basically, when you create multiple AIs, you create a room. If you already have a room, you can create an AI to the room. But if you don't have a room, in this case, we're gonna click on create a new AI. You'll need to give it a name, give your room a name, and you can also give them a pronoun. And just like that, choosing those options, you have created your own AI model. You can use it just like ChatGPT, just prompt it whatever you want, and it will give you the answers. For example, I'm gonna ask him how's the weather, and as you can see, it is given me an AI generated answer. That is how you can create your own GPT style AI model to chat with and ask anything that you want. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.